It's Ofentse's homecoming today, and listen, it's almost 12 and I'm in the mall looking for an outfit. Talk about queen of doing last minute things. I am officially at Ofentse's homecoming. Listen, it took us so much just to get here. Oh, the getting ready was so chaotic, but listen, I'm here, I have the ride and we're about to have fun. Let's go.
Ofentse big brother.
Ejo, willy big brother. It's my dog.
Mami lo.
Marasta and Ejo nanya ski.
Ayan, skip.
Nanya ski kasi la para ang film mo.
Yeah.
Ah, ne.
No, tabi ta finally.
Amo brahaw stand TV so wira lang.
Kin naman.
Ang different design na
myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spinning me right up myself.